Welcome back to our channel, Explained, where we discuss one interesting topic a day. Today, we will be discussing some of the most recent inventions that are changing the game and have the potential to transform the way we live our lives. From cutting-edge technology to breakthrough medical advancements, we've got it all covered. Before we start, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. Number 15. CRISPR-Cas gene editing technology. Our first invention is CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing technology. This revolutionary technology allows scientists to modify DNA with unprecedented precision and speed. This technique is used to cure genetic diseases, improve agricultural yields, and even create new species of plants and animals. CRISPR-Cas is a game changer in the world of medicine and has the potential to eliminate genetic diseases from our DNA. Number 14. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are another invention that is changing the world. With the advent of autonomous driving technology, we are on the verge of a transportation revolution. Self-driving cars are not only more convenient, but they also have the potential to reduce accidents, save energy, and improve traffic flow. They will also make commuting more efficient, freeing up time for more productive activities. Number 13. Smart home technology. Smart home technology is transforming our living spaces. With the advent of IoT devices, we can now control our homes remotely from our smartphones. We can turn on lights, adjust temperature, and even order groceries from our phones. Smart home technology is making our lives more comfortable, convenient, and efficient. Number 12. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is a game changer in the world of computing. Unlike classical computers that process data in binary digits, quantum computers use quantum bits or qubits, which can represent multiple states at once. This allows them to process data much faster and solve complex problems that are beyond the capabilities of classical computers. Quantum computing has the potential to transform fields such as cryptography, pharmaceuticals, and climate modeling. Number 11. CRISPR COVID testing. CRISPR-based COVID testing is a recent invention that has the potential to revolutionize the way we diagnose and treat COVID-19. This technology uses CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing to identify the genetic material of the virus in a patient's sample. It is faster, cheaper, and more accurate than traditional PCR testing methods. CRISPR COVID testing has the potential to make mass testing more accessible and to identify new variants of the virus in real time. Number 10. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an umbrella term for a variety of technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as natural language processing, image recognition, and decision-making. AI is already being used in fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation to make processes more efficient and accurate. In the future, AI has the potential to revolutionize fields such as education, manufacturing, and entertainment. Number 9. Renewable energy. Renewable energy is an area that has seen rapid growth in recent years. Solar, wind, and hydropower are just a few examples of renewable energy sources that are being used to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. As renewable energy becomes more efficient and cost-effective, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate and consume energy. Number 8. 3D printing. 3D printing is a technology that allows for the creation of three-dimensional objects from digital designs. This technology has the potential to revolutionize manufacturing as it allows for the creation of customized products on demand. 3D printing is already being used to create prosthetic limbs, dental implants, and even entire houses. Number 7. Blockchain. Blockchain is a technology that enables secure, decentralized transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or governments. This technology is being used to create cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, as well as to revolutionize industries such as real estate, supply chain management, and voting. Number 6. Biodegradable plastics. Biodegradable plastics are a recent invention that has the potential to reduce plastic waste and its impact on the environment. These plastics are made from materials that can be broken down by natural processes such as sunlight, heat, and moisture. Biodegradable plastics are being used in a variety of applications, including packaging, medical implants, and agricultural products. Number 5. Quantum cryptography. Quantum cryptography is a technology that uses the principles of quantum mechanics to create unbreakable encryption. Unlike traditional encryption methods, which can be cracked by brute force, quantum cryptography is completely secure because it relies on the laws of physics. This technology has the potential to revolutionize cybersecurity and make communication completely secure. Number 4. Neuralink. Neuralink is a company founded by Elon Musk that is developing implantable brain-computer interface. These interfaces would allow for direct communication between the human brain and machines, enabling a variety of applications, such as controlling computers with the mind, restoring sensory functions to people with disabilities, and even enhancing cognitive abilities. Number 3. Fusion energy. Fusion energy is a technology that seeks to replicate the process that powers the sun in order to generate clean, virtually limitless energy. This technology is still in the experimental stage, but if successful, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we generate energy and solve the world's energy crisis. Number 2. Bioprinting. Bioprinting is a technology that allows for the creation of three-dimensional living tissue using 3 deciamperes printing techniques. This technology has the potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine, as it could be used to create replacement organs, repair damaged tissues, and even create entirely new organs for transplantation. Number 1. Space tourism. Space tourism is a recent invention that is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in space exploration. Private companies such as SpaceX and Blue Origin are developing spacecraft that will allow ordinary people to travel to space as tourists. This technology has the potential to open up space exploration to a wider audience and pave the way for new discoveries and innovations. These are just a few of the many recent inventions that are changing the world. These innovations have the potential to transform the way we live our lives. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, we can expect to see even more groundbreaking inventions in the near future. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments section below if you have the opportunity to go to any planet for tourism. Which planet would that be? Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting content.